Have you ever needed to translate something quickly while traveling, studying, or browsing a menu in a foreign language? Today, we're sharing a simple but incredibly powerful iPhone trick that lets you instantly translate any text just by pointing your camera at it. No typing, no copying, and no third-party apps needed. Let's dive in. Most iPhone users don't realize that the built-in camera and photos apps already come with an advanced feature called live text. This feature allows your iPhone to read text from the real world like signs, documents, books, screens, labels, and even handwriting. And paired with Apple's translation system, it becomes a super fast, super convenient translation tool. To try this out, open your iPhone camera and point it at any text in another language. Make sure you're using photo mode. Within a second or two, you'll see a small yellow frame appear around the text. That's live text recognizing the words. Next, look for the text icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap it, and now your iPhone turns the real-world text into selectable digital text. You can press and hold to select a specific word, or drag to highlight entire sentences or paragraphs. Once the text is selected, a menu will pop up above it. From this menu, tap Translate. Instantly, your iPhone will convert the text into your preferred language. You can even choose different languages using the options at the bottom of the screen. The translation appears immediately, and you can scroll through it, copy it, or share it with someone else. But here's something even cooler. You don't need to rush to get the perfect camera angle. You can just take a photo first and translate later. Open the image in the Photos app, tap the text icon, select the text, and translate it anytime you want. This is extremely helpful for translating long documents or saving something to read later. This feature works offline for some languages, but for the fastest and most accurate translations, it's best to be connected to the internet. Also, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later, since older versions don't support live text translation. Whether you're reading foreign packaging, checking restaurant menus abroad, studying vocabulary, or understanding online content, this quick trick will save you time and effort. It's fast, it's accurate, and best of all, it's already built into your phone. So the next time you come across text you don't understand, just point your camera at it and let your iPhone do the work. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.